Hi guys, I'm Asram Miraj. Today finally we have reached the main topics. Today we will discuss about introduction to C language. First of all, we will discuss about what is C level language. C is a high level language. So there are two different types of language which is used in programming. One of high level language and other is low level language. Low level language is a near for machine language and far from human. Human cannot understand easily, but machine or systems can understand easily. And high level language is understandable for human but cannot understandable by machine. High level language is like English like words. So low level language is machine level language and assembly language, but high level language is C language, C++, object oriented. These are all high level language. So C is a high level language and general purpose programming language that is ideal for developing framework or portable applications. It is also called mother of all language. So now we will discuss about variable and constant. Variable and constant are different two terms which are used in programming. What is variable? Variable is a named memory location or memory cells. It is used to store programs input data and its computational result during executions. So there, if you are not understand what is variables and constant, not worry. When we will go in practical section, then your all confusion will be end. And constant is a quantity that cannot be changed during program executions. When we run our program, variables value can be changed, but constant values cannot be changed. Data types. In programming, we used different types of variables. Before using variables, we use different data types. What is data type? The data types specifies the type of data and set of operations which we used variables in program. Data types describes what sort of data we can use in specified variables. So data type is used to describe the type of data and set of operations that can be changed. Data type specifies the type of data and set of operations that can be applied on data. Every data has a range of values require different amount of memories. Data types have been different kinds like integer types. In integer types we used numeric data types and constant, character types, string types. These are different types of data. Now we will discuss about variable declaration and initializations. What is declaration? The process of specifying the variable name and its type is called variable declarations. Initialization, the process of assigning value to a variable at the time of declarations. First we declare the variable, then we initialize the variables. The symbol equal is used to initialize a variables. Keywords. This is main important topics. Keyword also mostly asked in interview questions or examination portion. What is keywords? Keyword is a word in C language that has a predefined meaning and purpose. There are different types of keywords which have predefined meaning in compiler. So we don't use for his own purpose. It is also known as reserved words. It cannot be used for another purpose. Its purpose has been defined in compilers, and it can be written in lowercase. We cannot write it uppercase. If we write it in uppercase, and compiler will generate the error. There are total 32 keywords which we used in C-level language, and auto, do, go to, int, float, if else, etc. These are kind of keywords. So their main important things is we have different types of application software for C-level language. I will recommend you two types of application software. One is Dev C++, other is Turbo C. And I highly recommend you must install in your PC Dev C++. Please install Dev C++ in your computers. Now I tell you how we can download Dev C++. Dev C++ for Windows 10 or which window you have, it's up to you. Then we will go here, we will open these websites. You can download by clicking here, download. Your download will start shortly. So it's going to be start downloading. It's up to you. You can download Dev C++ or Turbo. So there is error of network, but you can download in easily. It's very easy. Thank you.